always wanted to do that.
Oh, I want to do the thing. Maria, take one.
Having the ability to scale up in a smart and efficient way is at the core of our manufacturing strategy. With advanced technology and rapid automation, we're delivering innovative solutions that meet the demands of today and set the stage for tomorrow.
We are growing fast, investing heavily in our people, our processes and our technology to take us to the next level.
We need problem solvers, planners and leaders who aren't afraid to jump in and tackle challenges head on.
We take pride in delivering excellence at every step, and we invest in the best to keep our standards high and results even higher.
We never compromise on quality, and we consistently deliver outstanding results.
Attention to detail is key. SHL focuses on scaling and optimizing throughout the supply chain, and we're fully aware that there are no shortcuts to quality.
Especially when what we do matters.
There's nowhere to go but up at SHL.
You will be constantly challenged and you will thrive on it.
You'll be surrounded by cutting-edge technology from automation, process development, operations engineering to integrated supply chain.
This is where your potential is tested and your ambitions can truly take flight.
We focus on mastering today while planning for tomorrow.
Together, we're shaping a future of success and growth of SHL over a long horizon.
We are SHL Medical. Together, we're enabling patients' independence.